Hey guys, so I don't even know why I'm making this a video, but I'm just gonna make some lemonade and I wanted to show you guys how I'm making it today. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so this lemonade is gonna have mandarins and lemons. I've been working on these mandarins for about a week and change now. I had a whole big bag of them, so I'm just gonna pretty much make juice with it. So you're just gonna squeeze your mandarins and your lemon juice down into your cup. And I'm just gonna sweeten this up with some sugar. Not a lot though, just a little bit, just for taste. But you can sweeten this up however you want to. Yes, I'm going old school with my hand. I'm not like you millennials that have all those gadgets. And that's it, guys. It's a short, spicy video. I'm making lemonade, and I wanted to show y'all how I made lemonade today to go with dinner. I have lots of lemons, but I have these also, so I'm not making a lot. It's only for 2 people, and this is a very big cup. I got this cup from the dollar store. It's a big cup. I'll show you guys what it looks like once I'm done. All right, I added my sugar and my water. You know what's crazy? Back in the day, my grandmother, when she made us lemonade, she did add orange. And it's like she'll have, because, you know, we have fruits everywhere. Fruits grow everywhere in Jamaica. So whenever she made lemonade, she'll put some orange juice out in there from the orange tree. And it will just be so good. So, yeah. I'm going to pour this up in a glass with some lemon slices. And that's it for this video. Old school, baby. Old school. Using my hand, mixing with a spoon, old school. Alright, y'all, so I even got my mason jars and some straws. Pink for me, blue for him, clearly. You just gonna take your juice, baby. Pour your juice. I guess I should have strained it, right? Who cares? It's homemade. Who cares? Who cares? These look so good. So good. And that's it, guys. This is my Mandarin lemonade. I can't wait to drink it. I hope you guys try it. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.